In this video, I will show you how to change my Binance ID. So first of all, open up your Binance app, and if you aren't started yet on Binance, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn $100. So what you need to do for this is really simple. You need to deposit $50 14 days after you register through the link in the description, and then you will receive $100. So if you're interested, feel free to check the link in the description. But anyway, let's dive into this video. So first of all, we're going to click on the Binance logo at the top left from our home screen. And from here, we're going to click on the settings icon at the top right. And from here, we're going to click on our username in the middle section. And when we click on this, we see this pencil icon at the top. So let's go ahead and click on this. And right now, you can change your nickname in here or your Binance ID. And I have already changed it in the last 30 days, so I'm not able to change it right now. But if you haven't changed it in the last 30 days, you can just click on your ID and then you can go ahead and change this. And after you want to finalize this change, go ahead and click on save. And then please be aware again that you can only change this once every 30 days. So it's really simple and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.